Good morning. Good morning. It's Blizzard Saturday. I gotta get up and see if I'm gonna go to work or if there's work today or if the trains are still running. Can't wait to see how it looks outside. I live for days like this. I live. Straight out the gate, I look out my window though and it's snow. Hi, old man Winter. Hello. How you doing? Let's see how it is out there. We brought everything from the porch and we brought it in the house because of the snow. Wow, look. I'm gonna put on my slippies. So we had everything here, but look, snow would get on it. And look outside. Oh my God. Oh, it's icy. And there goes my snow. Winter is here. Oh, I got scared. Who's shoveling? Keep my happy ass in the house. That's it. I'm chilling on the couch. I'm gonna be right here watching some news. It's 10:30 in the morning and I'm chilling. So the time has come to walk Lani. So I gotta get dressed. I thought it'd be funny to show you what it takes to wear to go outside when you're not prepared with clothes. Ready? Here we go. Forgot to show you guys my stylish gloves. And then look at Lonnie. She looks so cute in her pink and green. Look outside.
Here we go.
Let's get it. 2, 3. She is loving it. Oh my God. Look at her.
Oh my God.
And the other one's gonna get stuck in there. And the other one. 2, 3,
and 4.
Where's the 4th one?
Okay. All right. You hold it.
I hold it. Just playing now. I have the umbrella to protect you guys. Who cares about me? Look, I could deal with it, but you guys can't. I gotta make sure my camera sees good. That's another reason.
Man, I'm so surprised Lonnie likes the snow. You know?
Right back to me.
Yeah.
Right? First time,
It's crazy.
it should be more than 12 inches.
Yeah, it feels like more.
Yeah, it feels like more.
First time we got this here. You know?
Oh, wow.
Hi, buddy.
A little traffic stop we got right now. This guy's trying to get his caddy down a street that's not wanting him to go through. He's
There
aye.
we go.
Thank you. The post office is still working. They ain't letting nothing stop them. And they moving. I'm having a lot of fun today. Like, I love the snow. This is like life to me. Life.